Imagine a place where ships and planes mysteriously vanish without a trace. That's the Bermuda Triangle for you. Nestled in the western part of the North Atlantic Ocean, the Bermuda Triangle, also known as the Devil's Triangle, is a region steeped in mystery and intrigue. This area, roughly shaped like a triangle, stretches from the southeastern tip of Florida, USA, down to Puerto Rico, and then to the island of Bermuda. Covering approximately 500,000 square miles, it's a vast expanse of sea where navigational nightmares are born. Over the past century, this enigmatic triangle has gained an infamous reputation. Tales of unexplained disappearances and strange occurrences within its boundaries have become the stuff of legend. Ships have been found abandoned for no apparent reason, their crews vanished without a trace. Airplanes too have disappeared under equally puzzling circumstances, often in broad daylight and with no distress signals. One of the most famous incidents is the disappearance of Flight 19, a squadron of 5 US Navy torpedo bombers on a routine training mission in December of 1945. Despite experienced pilots and ideal weather conditions, the flight vanished without a trace, with all 14 airmen on board lost. An extensive search and rescue mission found no sign of the missing planes or their crew. Another notable incident involves the US Cyclops, a massive Navy cargo ship that disappeared in March of 1918. With over 300 crew members and passengers aboard, the loss of the Cyclops represents one of the largest non-combat maritime losses in US Navy history. Despite exhaustive investigations, no conclusive explanation for the ship's disappearance has ever been found. But is there any truth to these tales, or are they just myths? Let's dive deeper into the Bermuda Triangle mystery. Many theories have been proposed to explain the Bermuda Triangle's strange occurrences. Some of these theories are as intriguing as they are outlandish. Let's take some time to explore a few of the most popular ones and shed some light on what we know so far. First up, we have the theory of extraterrestrial activities. Many believe that the Bermuda Triangle is a highway for aliens or even a portal to other dimensions. These theories often stem from reported sightings of unidentified flying objects and unexplained phenomena in the area. However, as fascinating as these theories are, they lack concrete scientific evidence. Despite numerous investigations, no definitive proof of alien activities or interdimensional portals has been found in the Bermuda Triangle. Next on the list is the concept of time warps. Some people propose that the Bermuda Triangle is a vortex that disrupts the flow of time. This theory is often backed by tales of missing time or sudden shifts in time experienced by those who've passed through the area. Yet, just like with the alien theory, there's a significant lack of scientific evidence to support this claim. Time, as we understand it, is a constant and unchangeable force. The idea of a geographic location causing time to warp or shift is purely speculative at best. Lastly, we have the lost city of Atlantis. Some theorize that the legendary city, said to have sunk into the ocean thousands of years ago, lies beneath the Bermuda Triangle. They suggest that its advanced technology is responsible for the strange happenings in the area. But once again, we find ourselves in a realm of speculation and mythology rather than fact. Despite numerous underwater expeditions, no remnants of such a city have been discovered in the Bermuda Triangle. So we've looked at aliens, time warps, and Atlantis. We've seen that while these theories are certainly entertaining, they lack the solid evidence needed to be taken seriously in the scientific community. So, if it's not aliens or time warps, what could be causing these disappearances? Stay tuned as we dive deeper into the science behind the mystery of the Bermuda Triangle in our next segment. Science may not have all the answers, but it certainly has some plausible explanations. Let's dive into some of the scientific theories that could potentially shed light on the enigma of the Bermuda Triangle. First, let's talk about methane hydrates. These are essentially vast amounts of methane gas trapped within the seafloor. Under specific conditions, these hydrates can destabilize, releasing the gas that rises to the ocean's surface. This sudden release can cause the water to become less dense, making any ship floating above susceptible to sinking. Some researchers believe that this phenomenon could explain some of the disappearances in the Bermuda Triangle. Next, we have rogue waves. These are massive, unexpected waves that can reach heights of up to 100 feet. They can form due to a variety of factors, including weather conditions and ocean currents. Their unpredictability and immense power can easily capsize ships and down aircraft, making them a plausible reason for some of the incidents in the Bermuda Triangle. Lastly, we must consider human error. Navigation in the Bermuda Triangle can be tricky due to its unique magnetic properties. The area is one of the few places on Earth where true north and magnetic north align, which can cause navigational equipment to give misleading readings. This could lead to disorientation, resulting in accidents and disappearances. These scientific theories, while intriguing, are not without their critics. For instance, the methane hydrate theory, while possible, is deemed unlikely by many due to the lack of recorded instances of such events in the Bermuda Triangle. Similarly, the occurrence of rogue waves, while documented worldwide, is not specific to the Bermuda Triangle region. As for human error, while it's a common cause of accidents, it's hard to attribute all the disappearances to this factor alone. While these theories are more grounded in reality, they still don't fully explain the mystery. But let's put the Bermuda Triangle in perspective. When we talk about the Bermuda Triangle, we're discussing a region that is one of the most heavily traveled shipping lanes in the world. Ships ferrying cargo from the Americas, Europe, and the Caribbean pass through this area daily. Not to mention the countless cruise ships that take off from Florida and the air traffic overhead. Now let's think about other similar high-traffic maritime areas around the globe. The English Channel, for example, is one of the busiest shipping lanes on the planet, with over 500 ships passing through it each day. Or consider the Strait of Malacca, a narrow stretch of water between Malaysia and Indonesia, where nearly 1/3 of the world's maritime trade, including crude oil, passes through. Each of these regions, like the Bermuda Triangle, sees an immense amount of traffic both by air and sea. And with so much activity, accidents are bound to happen. Ships sink, planes crash, and sometimes they disappear without a trace. But does this mean these areas are inherently dangerous or mysterious? Not necessarily. When we compare the number of disappearances in the Bermuda Triangle to these other areas, we don't see a significant difference. The numbers are roughly the same, and when you take into account the volume of traffic, the percentages are even smaller. This suggests that the Bermuda Triangle is not particularly more dangerous than any other heavy traffic maritime area. Yes, there have been disappearances and accidents that are difficult to explain, but there are also countless journeys made through the Bermuda Triangle that are completely uneventful. The vast majority of ships and planes pass through without any issue at all. The Bermuda Triangle's reputation as a deadly and mysterious place is perhaps more a product of our fascination with the unexplained than it is a reflection of reality. When we look at the facts, we see a different picture. So, the Bermuda Triangle may not be as mysterious as we thought. The Bermuda Triangle continues to intrigue and mystify us. A region steeped in enigma and mystique, it has been the focal point of countless tales and theories, each more intriguing than the last. Yet, as we've journeyed through the labyrinth of legends and facts, we've seen that the reality is often far more nuanced and complex than the myths would have us believe. We delved into the mystery, sifting through the myriad myths that have become synonymous with the Bermuda Triangle. We discovered that many of these stories, while captivating, often lack substantial evidence. The tales of mysteriously disappearing ships and aircraft, while intriguing, are often embellished narratives spun from a fraction of truth. Further, we ventured into the realm of science, seeking answers to the enigma. We found that the science behind the Bermuda Triangle is not as otherworldly as some would suggest. Indeed, natural phenomena like rogue waves, magnetic anomalies, and methane hydrates offer plausible explanations for many of the supposed mysteries. We then placed the Bermuda Triangle in perspective, comparing it with other regions. We found that the incidence of disappearances is not significantly higher than in other well-traveled parts of the ocean. This revelation underscores the importance of questioning sensational claims and seeking empirical evidence. Throughout this journey, we've underscored the importance of scientific inquiry and skepticism. In a world where sensational stories and myths can often overshadow the truth, it's crucial to approach mysteries like the Bermuda Triangle with an open mind, yet a discerning eye. Science and reason, not myths, should guide our understanding of the world around us. In the end, the Bermuda Triangle serves as a reminder that the world is full of mysteries waiting to be solved. The thrill of the unknown, the quest for knowledge, the allure of discovery. These are the elements that make such mysteries so captivating. And isn't that a beautiful thing?